how to unblur on eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can unblur on eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, open the eHarmony platform and then log into your account. You can use either the app or the website version of the platform. I will be using the website version. After you log into your eHarmony account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now as you go to discover option, you will find profiles of various people. However, their photos will be blurred out. Even if you tap on their profile, only the other details will be displayed while the photos will be blurred out. Now if you want to unblur the photos, you will have to purchase the premium subscription. Unfortunately, there is no such other methods to unblur the photo if you are on a basic or the free plan. The particular platform does not allow the free users to unblur the photos or see the actual photos of the users. So if you want to unblur the photos and other details, you will have to upgrade to the premium subscriptions. For that, tap on upgrade to premium option on the home screen. After that, select the premium plan that you want to purchase. Then after, scroll below and then tap on select and then confirm the payment. So in this way you can unblur on eHarmony. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.